When it comes to fighting a fire, never settle and never surrender. With the CMU Midship Fire Pump from Waterous, your fire department will have the power, reliability, and ease of operation that's needed to extinguish the flames. But that's not just our opinion. The proven knockdown power of the CMU meets or exceeds all NFPA standards. With models ranging from 1,500 gallons per minute all the way to 2,250 gallons per minute, the CMU packs a mighty punch. But power is only one part of the story. Waterous designed and manufactured the CMU to be a formidable ally that's ready and willing to go the distance in the heat of battle. It features a two-piece, horizontally split, high-tensile, close-grained gray iron casing, or you can choose the option of a bronze casing. For optimal performance, all passageways are carefully matched to assure the very best hydraulic flow characteristics. Without a doubt, the CMU is solid on the outside, and you'll be happy to know it offers superior design and construction on the interior as well. Bronze reverse flow wear rings located here extend pump life, while matched bronze impellers are mechanically and hydraulically balanced for vibration-free operation. And the Waterous CMU offers something that's totally unique within the midship fire pump market: flame-plated impeller hubs. Because the impeller hubs are flame-plated, they are harder, so they are better able to withstand the wear and tear of abrasives in the water supply. Impressive? Definitely. But the CMU has even more to offer. The smartly conceived impeller shaft, located here, is made of high-grade stainless steel and features a two-piece design, allowing separation of the transmission from the pump without disassembling either component, thus simplifying and expediting the repair process. Of course, with all the heat and friction, few parts take as much abuse as the bearings, which is why Waterous paid particular attention to their design. 3 deep-groove anti-friction ball bearings located outside of the pumping chamber give support and proper alignment to the impeller shaft assembly. The bearings are oil or grease lubricated, completely separated from the water being pumped, and protected by seal housing with flinger rings and oil seals. Great thought went into yet another vital component: the transfer valve. It features a ball-type bronze valve with removable bronze housings, featuring large waterways for smooth flow. Manual operation of the transfer valve is standard. However, an electronic version is available. The transfer valve moves from pressure to volume without sticking for easy, reliable operation. The C20 transmission features a lighter aluminum housed transmission that is 100 to 200 pounds lighter than comparable transmissions. Not only lighter, the aluminum also dissipates heat faster than cast iron or steel casings, reducing heat stress on the transmission. The case size is a one-size-fits-all universal design, which simplifies ordering, simplifies installation, and reduces costs. Another handy aspect is that the C20 uses just 6 quarts of the very same automatic transmission fluid already used in your apparatus, so you never have to stock additional fluids. For maximum flexibility and utility, the C20 accommodates mid and rear mount pumps. Its compact design leaves additional room between the frame rails for today's required engine emissions components that would otherwise eat up valuable compartment space. The specifically designed internal passive lubrication system and heat dispersing case requires no lubricant pump or cooler, so there's no additional plumbing. Plus, you never have to worry about freezing the heat exchanger in cold climates. What's more, by taking away components and streamlining the design, we've made the C20 one of the simplest transmissions to service and overhaul. This is especially true when replacing common wear components, such as the shift fork and shift collar. Another aspect that's not to be overlooked is the increased shifting force when going from road to pump. This overcomes residual torque from the driveline and eliminates butt-toothing of the sprocket and shaft teeth. And speaking of shifting, there's absolutely no shift travel adjustment needed. Inside the transmission is a reliable, long-lasting chain drive that is more efficient than conventional belt drives, so you can be confident that the C20 is extracting every ounce of power possible while providing the reliability you can count on. Lighter, cooler, and simpler to service, the C20 transmission is the perfect complement to Waterous fire pumps. When designing the CMU fire pump, Waterous included a variety of intake and discharge locations, sizes, and piping arrangements to accommodate your setup and needs. Lead fact, the CMU discharges range in size from 2.5 inches to 5 inches. The CMU is also adaptable to a variety of uses. You can use it as a standard midship fire pump, or you can pair it with an Advantis foam system to create Eclipse, the world's leading CAF system. What's more, the Waterous CMU is easy to use in the field, an aspect that's not to be overlooked, especially when a 3-story building is ablaze just 50 feet away. The flip of a single switch, the power system engages the pump. An indicator light on the control panel confirms this action. A single control also activates the priming system, automatically opening the priming valve and starting the primer, which in turn draws lubricant from the reservoir to seal and lubricate the primer. Lastly, a single on-off control activates the optional automatic relief valve system. Apart from its technical advantages, the CMU is backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty, as well as the acclaimed Waterous product support and optional on-site training. Power, adaptability, superior engineering, and proven dependability. Fire doesn't stand much of a chance when you attack it with the CMU Midship Fire Pump from Waterous. Bring a better fight to the fire.